Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an Azure subscription, owner or contributor access, and a resource group. Once done, create or pick a resource group and an app service plan if you will host a backend. Next, register an app in Azure AD so you can secure the API, copy client ID, tenant ID, and create a client secret. These steps let you wire authentication later, so make sure credentials are stored securely and accessible for the portal steps that follow. You now create an API management instance in the portal. Choose name, organization, admin email, and pricing tier. Once the service is provisioned, import your API using OpenAPI, WSDL, or create a blank API and define operations. Set the base URL so clients know where to call. Next, add products to group APIs and enforce subscription keys. Then configure policies like rate limit, CORS, and set security such as OAuth 2, 0, or subscription validation. These steps protect and organize your API surface. You finish by testing every endpoint in the developer portal and externally with curl or Postman. Verify headers, tokens, and response codes. Once verified, publish APIs to products, assign subscriptions, and set quotas or rate limits so clients behave. Enable application insights and API analytics to collect telemetry and monitor latency, failures, and usage. If calls fail, check policies, inbound authentication, and backend URL mapping first. Misconfigured base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.